Okay, it's time to do construction number 6. This time we are going to construct a line perpendicular to a line at a point that is not on the line. So it's going to start off slightly similar to the last one. However, the key thing is the point is not going to be on the line. So our first job is to again draw our original line. It does not have to be vertical or horizontal. In fact, I'm going to draw mine at a slight angle just to make it a little bit more interesting. Okay, again, and the line signifies we need some arrows there on either end. And this time we're going to be constructing the perpendicular line to a point not on the line. So I need to create a point that's not on the line. So I'm going to just take my marker or pen and I'm going to put a point somewhere above or below the line. I'm going to go with above. I'm not going anywhere near the center of the line. Okay, but I would like to put it right there and I'm going to name it A. Now I'm going to use my compass. I'm going to line my compass up right on vertex A. Let's see if I can get it right on there. Excellent. Slide my paper back up. And now we're going to take my tool. Now you want to be able to touch the line on both sides here, either way. So just make sure you wouldn't go off your line. Okay, and there we go. At the intersections with my line and the swipe that I just made, I'm going to make 2 points. I'm going to label them B and C. And now we are going to place our compass down over here on point B. And we need to make a swipe above and below. So once again, making sure my compass tool will be fit nicely just to make marks above and below. I'm going to use the outside hole here. I'm going to make swipe up and down. Moving my compass tool over to point C, lining it up. And again, using my outside hole, because that's what I used the first time, I'm going to make swipes up and down. Using my straight edge, I'm going to line up my intersections here. I'm going to label this one D, label that one E, and I'm going to connect. And again, remembering we are constructing a line, so that means we need arrows on either ends of my construction. And now what our goal was to indeed create a line perpendicular to a line. So again, I'm going to put my right angle mark down here, and I'm going to write my statement. This time we have the original line, BC, is perpendicular to line, let's call this one ED, at point A, because that was my original point. Last step is to prove indeed that I did make a nice perpendicular line, measuring using my protractor, lining everything up. And indeed, I'm perfectly at 90 degrees. So I will write that number in the area in here. Remembering that once you have 190, all 4 of those angles will be 90 degrees. And another one is complete.